Find or read reviews that people are talking about Nadonli Foldable Wagon with wheels. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Newest design, foldable wagon. Nadonli Basics Folding Wagon Unfolded Size, 36.2 x 28.3 x 16.5 inch, folded size. 27 x 16.5 x 6 inch with 2 mesh cup holders, enough to support daily use, easy to assemble in a minute. Please refer to the installation video. High quality materials. The wagon's cart is made of high quality alloy steel, static weight load up to 350 pounds, dynamic weight load up to 220 pounds, with removable 600D Oxford canvas is waterproof. Easy to clean and durable. Easy to fold and carry. Folding wagon with an internal pull rope, easily set up or fold down the wagon in seconds, and the collapsible wagon is only 11 pounds, people of all ages can carry and use it easily. Wide use utility wagon. This folding wagon is equipped with 4 all-terrain wheels, including 2 360 degrees rotating front wheels, moves easily over different terrains. Perfect for shopping, gardening, picnicking, camping or sports equipment handling. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.